5 tips on how to sound more professional in English. Slow down and clear. You have time to think. Please hand this report in by Friday. This is sentence. Practice intonation. I plan to join you at the meeting and then we will have lunch afterwards. Sentence. Pause and silence in completely okay. My understanding was we were including yellow in the website design. Sentence. I'll find out instead of I don't know. You can put a note on your wall or next to your desk at work to help remind yourself about all of these different things that you need to keep in mind to keep improving your communication at work. Sentence. How to understand Australians or slang words and expressions. Mate, friend or brother or anyone. Arvo, afternoon. Avo, avocado. Bricky, breakfast. Brunch, meal between breakfast and lunch. Macca's, McDonald's. Uni, university. Servo, service station or petrol station, a place to service your car. Bottle shop or liquor store, a shop that sells alcohol. Slab, a carton of anything like beer or camphor or anything. Tiny, can of beer. Slubby, bottle of beer. Stubby, कूलर जिसमें कि हम सारी गंदगी कलेक्ट करके रख सकते हैं. इसकी it keeps drink and food cooling, so it's like an insulated box where you put ice and keep your drinks cool. Lotto, lottery. Ripper, excellent. Breezy, Brisbane. Tassie, Tasmania. The loo, toilet. Sparky, electrician. Chippy, carpenter. Trucky, truck driver. Polly, politician. Sicky, sick day. Info, information. Intro, introduction. Mustache. Mustache. Roo, kangaroo. Mosey, mosquito. I'm always taking Mosey spray with me everywhere I go in summer. This insect repellent is called Mosey spray. Third, conditional sentences plus examples or English grammar lesson. If you hadn't been so rude, they would have invited you back. If plus past perfect plus perfect conditional. Subject plus had plus past participle. Perfect conditional. Subject plus would have plus past participle. If you had called me, I would have come. She didn't bring a rain jacket. Diwali vocabs. Diya or deep lamps. Katna or guzarna pass. Diwali, the festival of lamps or lights. Vanvas, exile. Decorate, सजाना. की खुशी में, in the happiness of. लौ और बाती, flame. धन, wealth. देवी, goddess. भगवान, lord. पूजा करना, worship. मनाना, celebrate. पटाखे, crackers और fireworks. burn, जलाना. जो ज़मीन में फूटते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं क्रैकर्स. जो आसमान में जाकर फूटते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं फायरवर्क्स. बर्न द क्रैकर्स, पटाखों को जलाना. मुर्गा छाप पटाखे, पी क्रैकर्स. आलू बम, बेस बॉम्ब. अनार, फाउंटेन क्रैकर. फुलझड़ी, स्पार्कल्स. चरखी, गैलेक्सी स्पार्क्स. वातावरण, एटमॉस्फेयर. प्रदूषण, पॉल्यूशन. प्रदूषण रहित पटाखे, ग्रीन चैकर्स और ग्रीन क्रैकर्स. सावधानी, प्रिकॉशंस. कॉटन, सूती. बड़े, एल्डर्स. रेशमीन, सिल्क. पटाखे जलाते टाइम कभी रेशमी कपड़े नहीं पहनने चाहिए, हमेशा सूती कपड़े पहनने चाहिए। नेबर्स पड़ोसी, रिलेटिव्स रिश्तेदार, काम करने वाले एम्प्लॉयज़, मिठाई स्वीट्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट बांटना। पंप एंड शो रौनक और सजावट। भीड़ भाड़ हसल एंड बसल और क्राउड। विश यू एंड योर फैमिली अ बॉम्बास्टिक दिवाली। My greeting to you for Diwali. May this Diwali be as bright as ever. Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. Have a crackling Diwali. Wish you and your family sparkling Diwali. May you live your life like the festival of Diwali.